Let's create a project using supermotion cameras. In the Slow-Mo launcher, click the Create New button. The General tab opens. In the highlighted area, select the Replay's working mode. Change the project name. Set the number of channels. In this example, we use 2 supermotion cameras, each with 3 phases. Select the output frame rate and video codec. In this example, we use a 50i frame rate. Set the record storage and project duration. Configure the remote control connection. In this example, we use an Ethernet connection. Enter the remote control connection address. Check the connection. The connection is successful. Then, open the I/O boards tab. The 2 established channels are displayed here. When using supermotion cameras, you must specify the number of camera phases in the highlighted area. In this example, the cameras have 3 phases. For more channels are added automatically, 2 for each camera. Now you need to distribute the channel connections correctly. The first 3 connectors are for the first camera. Change the second camera's channel connections to the 4th, 5th, and 6th, respectively. Click the Configure button. Here, you can check that all connections have been configured correctly. In the highlighted area, you can select the camera type from the drop-down list. In this example, Grass Valley cameras are used. Save the configuration. Here, you need to add an output channel and specify its physical connector. You can also add a preview output and enable the playlist 99. Open the Summary tab. Save the project to the selected folder. In this tab, you can once again verify that the configuration settings are correct, in the diagram on the right. Click the Run Current button. Wait for the project to start, as this takes some time. The main program window will open. Start recording the project, using the buttons on the remote control. Switch to instant replay mode. And start the playback. By default, supermotion cameras use a stepwise playback type. This means that the playback speed changes when certain values corresponding to the set number of camera phases are reached. You can change the playback mode to smooth. Press the speed range button. The speed will change gradually, within the set range. It is also possible to switch modes sequentially. The shift and speed range buttons activate the first mode. The control and speed range buttons activate the second mode. The shift, control, and speed range buttons activate the third mode. In this mode, reverse playback is available. You can configure the speed change mode in the highlighted area, by selecting it from the drop-down list.